Top 42 pinaka-humble na volleyball players sa PBL. Unang-una ay si Pao Soriano, top 42. Top 41 goes to Don Macandili ng Signal. Top 40 goes to Cherry Nunab ng Choco Mucho Flying Titans. Top 39, Ella De Jesus ng Creamline Cool Smashers. Janelle Cheng ng Petrogas Angels. Top 37, Kiana D ng PLDT High Speed Hitters. Top 36, Kat Arado ng PLDT High Speed Hitters. Top 35, Kayla Atienza ng Creamline Cool Smashers. Ria Di Bakulangan ng PLDT High Speed Hitters. Top 33, Aduke Gonzania ng Choco Mucho Flying Titans. Top 32, Rize Sato ng Creamline Cool Smashers. Top 31, Joy Mikagande ng Charity Go Crossover. Top 30, AJ Lauren ng Charity Go Crossover. Top 29, Pongay Gaston ng Charity Go Crossover. Top 28, PLD Ponso ng Farm Fresh Foxes. Top 27, Bonnie Candler ng Signal HD Spikers. Top 26, Chinchin Basas ng Signal HD Spikers. Top 25, Jack Janela ng Signal HD Spikers. Top 24, Muffy Galanza ng Creamline Cool Smashers. Top 23, Rachel Ann Dakis ng Signal HD Spikers. Top 22, Mika Reyes ng PLDT High Speed Hitters. Top 21, Isa Molde ng Choco Mucho Flying Titans. Top 20, Tang Ponce ng Choco Mucho Flying Titans. Top 19, Ara Galang ng Charity Go Crossover. Top 18, Caitlin Viray ng Farm Fresh Foxes. Top 17, Celine Domingo ng Akari Power Chargers. Top 16, Tots Carlos ng Creamline Cool Smashers. Top 15, Jeanette Panaga ng Creamline Cool Smashers. Top 14, Kyle Negrito ng Creamline Cool Smashers. Top 13, Michelle Gumabaw ng Creamline Cool Smashers. Top 12, Aiza Maizo Puntillas ng Petrogas Angels. Top 11, Jaja Santiago ng JT Marvelous. Top 10, Jubilin Gonzaga ng Signal HD Spikers. Top 9, Ivy Laxina ng Next Led Chameleons. Top 8, si Rondina ng Choco Mucho Flying Titans. Top 7, Bernadette Pons ng Creamline Cool Smashers. Top 6, Pia De Leon ng Creamline Cool Smashers. Top 5, Kat Tolentino ng Choco Mucho Flying Titans. Top 4, Dina Wong ng Choco Mucho Flying Titans. Top 3, Gemma Galanza ng Creamline Cool Smashers. Top 2, Gia Murado de Guzman ng Creamline Cool Smashers. Our top 1 goes to pinaka-humble na volleyball player ay si Alyssa Valdez ng Creamline Cool Smashers.